This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Maria Lala. Rarely available and highly sought 3-bed, 3-full-bath townhome in Lost Creek Subdivision. 2-story foyer leads to spacious living room and dining room combo with vaulted ceiling, gas log fireplace and sliding glass door to a deck. Bright kitchen with ceramic tile and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and its own master bath. Main level has a large family room with new laminate wood flooring that leads to outdoor patio. Main level has a 3rd bedroom with full bathroom, laundry room and a mechanical room. Both deck and patio overlook a beautiful relaxing landscape and pond. Large 2-car garage with storage area. Easy commute to I-90, Route 53, restaurants, shopping, minutes to Woodfield Mall. For more information,